I'm running for mayor because I believe that Costa Mesa is a premier city and it's a great place to live, work, and raise a family. We need to have a fully staffed police department because that's the only way we will be able to do community-oriented policing, not just reactive policing. We also need to make sure that our fire and paramedics are properly trained and fully staffed for every station. That also means we get a handle on the abusive, sober living home operators and making sure that we no longer have operators in our city who are kicking people to the curb and making people homeless. All of these issues combined will improve public safety in Costa Mesa. Costa Mesa has the combination of a premier world-class city, but we also have that small town feel. Maintaining that balance requires thoughtful planning, making sure that we have walkable and bikeable communities, and making sure that our single-family neighborhoods are not taken over by overdevelopment and maintaining that single-family suburban feel that we all love in Costa Mesa. We're a AAA+ rated community by Standard & Poor's. We have done a good job collectively over the years, over the prior councils as well as the current, to maintain good fiscal health in the city. It's critical. You can't serve your residents without it. We have to be able to function well, invest in our infrastructure, invest in our employees so that we can serve our residents, but also maintain good fiscal responsibility for our taxpayers. The unfunded pension liability is a problem that every city in California is grappling with. Our city, in the last round of negotiations, worked very closely with our employee groups. We worked together creatively to find ways to increase their compensation, but not increase our unfunded pension liability. As a result, our city employees are contributing more than any other city in the state of California towards their pension. But it can't be solved in Costa Mesa, and it can't be solved in any city in California. It really takes some leadership to work with CalPERS and work with Sacramento to come up with some changes so that cities are not burdened with the unfunded pension liabilities, just so that they can have appropriate staffing to serve their residents. We love Costa Mesa. We love riding around in the neighborhood. We can walk to the grocery store. I want to be the mayor that listens to you and takes into consideration what makes Costa Mesa great for you, and it builds on that. If you know that we are working for your best interests at City Hall, then that will be a successful term.